Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I don't think people understand how often online privacy is breached. Did you know that over 60% of internet users have had their personal data exposed at some point? Anonymity is paramount in the digital world. It's a shield, protecting individuals from prying eyes and unwanted surveillance. For ethical hackers, anonymity isn't about hiding malicious intent or engaging in illegal activities. It's about responsible security research and ensuring the safety of digital ecosystems. Anonymity allows them to probe systems without revealing their identity, which is crucial for their work. This protects them from potential retaliation from those who might not appreciate their efforts. It also safeguards their personal information from being compromised. Anonymity is a cornerstone of ethical hacking, ensuring that they can operate without fear. Think of it like a detective going undercover to solve a case. They need to blend in and not draw attention to themselves. They can't reveal their true purpose or identity to those around them. Anonymity allows ethical hackers to operate similarly, without exposing their true identity. They can investigate vulnerabilities discreetly and thoroughly. They can report their findings without fear of retribution. This benefits everyone in the digital community. It makes systems more secure and robust against potential threats. Without anonymity, ethical hackers become vulnerable to various risks. Their identities could be exposed, putting them in danger. They could face legal repercussions or other forms of retaliation. This could deter valuable security research and innovation. The internet relies on these individuals to maintain its security. They find and report weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious actors. Anonymity allows them to do their job effectively and without hindrance. Anonymity is not just a tool for hackers, it's a fundamental right. Everyone deserves privacy online. Anonymity tools empower individuals to protect themselves. They can protect their personal information from being misused. They can express themselves freely without fear of judgment or persecution. Anonymity is essential for a free and open internet, fostering a safe space for everyone. TOR stands for the Onion Router, a name that reflects its multi-layered approach to privacy. It's a powerful tool for anonymity, designed to keep your online activities private and secure. It works by routing internet traffic through a network of relays, each adding its own layer of protection. Each relay adds a layer of encryption, making it increasingly difficult to intercept or decipher the data. This is like wrapping data in multiple layers of an onion, hence the name, the Onion Router. Each relay only knows the previous and next relay, ensuring that no single point can reveal the entire path. No single relay sees the entire path, which adds an extra layer of security and anonymity. This makes it extremely difficult to trace the traffic back to its source, thwarting attempts to track users. It's like a secret message passed through multiple hands, where each person only knows their immediate contacts. Each person only knows who gave them the message and who to give it to next, maintaining the secrecy of the message. TOR is free and open source software, making it accessible to anyone who values their privacy. Anyone can download and use it, regardless of their technical expertise. It's a valuable tool for journalists, activists, and anyone concerned about privacy, allowing them to operate without fear of surveillance. It allows them to communicate securely and anonymously, protecting their sources and sensitive information. TOR also provides access to hidden services, which are websites only accessible through the TOR network. These hidden services offer an extra layer of anonymity, often used for sensitive information sharing. They offer an extra layer of anonymity, making it difficult for anyone to track your online activities. They are often used for sensitive information sharing, ensuring that the data remains confidential. TOR is a powerful tool for protecting online privacy and freedom of expression, enabling users to navigate the internet without fear of being watched. Installing TOR on Kali Linux is straightforward. Open a terminal window, type the command, press enter. This command tells Kali to install the TOR package. It will download and install the necessary files. Once the installation is complete, start the TOR service. Type the command, press enter. This command starts the TOR background process. It will begin routing your internet traffic through the TOR network. Verify the installation by checking the TOR status. Type the command, press enter. This will display the current status of the TOR service. It should show as active and running. Now you can configure your applications to use TOR. Most browsers have built-in proxy settings. Configure your browser to use SOCKS 5 proxy at 127.0.0.1 port 9050. This will route all your browser traffic through the TOR network. Tornet is another tool for enhancing anonymity. It works in conjunction with TOR. It periodically changes your IP address. This makes it even harder to track your online activity. It's like changing your disguise regularly. Install Tornet using pip. Open a terminal and type. This command installs the Tornet package. Make sure you have pip installed first. If not, install it using. Configure Firefox to use Tornet. Go to Firefox Settings, select Network Settings. Choose Manual Proxy Configuration. Set the SOCKS host to 127.0.0.1 and port to 9050. Check the box Proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5. Start Tornet by typing in the terminal. This will change your IP address every 3 seconds. The count 0 means it will change indefinitely. You can adjust the interval as needed. Section 5. Visualizing onion routing, a journey through the layers. Imagine for a moment sending a letter through a series of intermediaries. Each intermediary plays a crucial role in ensuring the letter reaches its final destination. Each intermediary puts the letter in a new envelope, adding a layer of protection and secrecy. They only know who gave them the letter and who to send it to next, maintaining a chain of custody without revealing the entire path. This is, well, similar to how onion routing works. It's a method used to protect your data as it travels across the internet. Your data is encrypted in layers, like an onion. Each layer adds a level of security. Each TOR relay decrypts one layer, revealing just enough information to pass the data along. This reveals the address of the next relay, but nothing more. The data then travels to the next relay, continuing its journey through the network. The process repeats until the final destination is reached, ensuring each step is secure. No single relay knows both the origin and destination of the data, preserving your anonymity. This makes it extremely difficult to trace the communication back to you, adding a layer of protection against potential threats. It's like a complex maze where each turn is carefully calculated. Each turn reveals only the next step, never the entire path. This layered encryption provides strong anonymity, making it a robust solution for privacy. It protects your identity and online activity, ensuring you can browse the internet without fear. It ensures your communications remain private and secure, away from prying eyes. Onion routing is a clever and effective method for achieving online anonymity, safeguarding your digital footprint. Section 6. Vulnerabilities and Mitigation, Staying Ahead of the Threats. While TOR provides strong anonymity, it's not foolproof. There are potential vulnerabilities. One is traffic correlation attacks. An adversary could monitor entry and exit nodes. They might try to correlate traffic patterns to de-anonymize users. Another vulnerability is browser fingerprinting. Websites can collect information about your browser. This can create a unique fingerprint. This fingerprint can be used to track you across different websites. Even with TOR, this is a potential risk. Mitigate these risks by using a VPN in conjunction with TOR. A VPN encrypts your traffic before it enters the TOR network. This adds an extra layer of protection against traffic correlation attacks. Use privacy-focused browser extensions. These extensions block tracking scripts and other fingerprinting techniques. They enhance your anonymity within the TOR network. Regularly update your browser and TOR software. This ensures you have the latest security patches. Section 7. Real-world applications, anonymity's crucial role. Journalists and activists often use TOR. They use it to communicate securely in oppressive regimes. They can report on sensitive topics without fear of censorship or reprisal. TOR protects their identity and their sources. Whistleblowers also rely on TOR. They can leak information anonymously. This protects them from retaliation. It allows them to expose corruption and wrongdoing without jeopardizing their safety. Individuals concerned about privacy use TOR. They can browse the web anonymously. They can protect their online activity from surveillance. TOR empowers individuals to control their online privacy. Researchers use TOR to study the dark web. They can investigate illegal activities without revealing their identity. This helps law enforcement combat cybercrime. TOR plays a crucial role in various fields, promoting freedom of expression and online safety. Section 8. The Ethical Hacker, a call for responsible use. TOR and Tornet are powerful tools. They can be used for good or bad. It's important to use them responsibly. Ethical hackers use these tools for security research. They never use them for illegal activities. Always respect the privacy of others. Don't use these tools to intrude on someone's personal information. Use them ethically and responsibly. This is crucial for maintaining a safe and secure online environment. Learn more about cybersecurity and online privacy. There are many resources available online. Stay informed about the latest threats and vulnerabilities. This will help you use these tools effectively and safely. Remember, knowledge is power. Use your knowledge responsibly. Contribute to a more secure and private internet. Ethical hacking is about protecting, not harming. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the digital world with privacy. In today's digital age, privacy is paramount. TOR and Tornet are valuable tools for protecting online anonymity. They empower individuals to control their online presence. They allow ethical hackers to conduct security research responsibly. Understanding these tools is essential for navigating the digital world safely. Use them wisely and ethically. Contribute to a more secure and private internet for everyone. Remember, anonymity is not about hiding malicious intent. It's about protecting your right to privacy.